Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a WhatsApp group link. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, open the WhatsApp group to copy its link. After opening the group, you have to tap on three dots on the top right corner. A drop down menu will appear. Here select the first option, Group Info. On the group info page, you have to scroll down and under the number of members you will see the second option, invite via link. So tap on it, then you will see your group link. And to copy this link you have to simply tap on the second option, copy link, and you can see link copied. Now you can share this link with your friends or anyone else. One thing you have to know that only admins can copy and see the link. So if you are not an admin, then you cannot copy the link. In that case, you can ask a group admin to share the link with you. And this is how you can copy a WhatsApp group link.